चलिए, क्या टॉपिक है आज का? कुछ आइडिया? व्हाट इज द टॉपिक?
Yes, video interview.
वीडियो इंटरव्यूज। चलिए, तो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू बिजनेस, लेट अस सी ये जॉब मार्केट में 21st सेंचुरी में क्या चेंजेस आ गई हैं। एंड बहुत सी चेंजेस तो पिछले एक साल में आई है। So 21st century rules of the game have changed. And what are the changes? Let's see that. First change. Our students leave educational institutes taught to do the jobs that are fast disappearing from the economy. ये कॉलेजेस यूनिवर्सिटीज वालों की ये गलत फहमी है, वो इंडस्ट्री से आगे रहते हैं। वो कभी भी इंडस्ट्री से आगे नहीं रहते हैं। इंडस्ट्री एजुकेशन में हमेशा एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट से आगे रहती है। ये जितनी भी रिसर्च हो रही है, ये सब मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर टेकिंग प्लेस इन इंडस्ट्री। जो टेक्नोलॉजी आज एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स में पढ़ाई जाती है, इंडस्ट्री तो उसको 6 महीने 1 साल पहले बंद कर चुकी होती है। सो by the time students come out of the school or college, they don't have the knowledge that industry needs. That's one problem, because now industry is changing very very fast because of this IT business. So pehla change, dusra change, लोगों को लगता है मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री कर ली, मैंने एमबीए की डिग्री कर ली, तो मेरा बहुत मार्केट वैल्यू बढ़ गया। आई कैन लैंड अ गुड जॉब जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव अ डिग्री। The hard fact is your degrees have absolutely no value. The maximum that a degree can do is get you first interview call. It cannot even get you first job. Beyond that, the degree does nothing. डिग्री से अगर जॉब मिलने लगे हैं तो पेपर्स में ऐड आने लगे, ऑल दोज इंजीनियर्स हु हैव अबव सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ मार्क्स कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग फ्रॉम टुमारो। ऐसा तो कोई भी ऐड नहीं होता है। एंड ये मेरे कहने से कुछ नहीं होता। आई कैन कीप सेइंग डिग्रीज हैव नो वैल्यू, डिग्रीज हैव नो वैल्यू। दैट मीन्स नथिंग अनलेस आई प्रूव इट। सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रूव दैट डिग्रीज हैव लॉस्ट देयर वैल्यू। मैं आपको एक ऐड दिखाने वाला हूं, और ये मैं 2020 की बात नहीं कर रहा। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2014। 8 October 2014, Times of India make ad आई थी which was released by a company called Cognito. Cognito is multinational company in advertising field. So उन्होंने एक एड रिलीज की थी पेपर में, एंड फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम आई वाज कैरिंग कॉपी ऑफ दैट एड। ये कलर स्कीम वगैरह इज एग्जैक्टली एज पर दैट, एंड दिस वाज फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द एड। यही कलर स्कीम थी प्रिंट की, यही कलर स्कीम थी पीछे के बैकग्राउंड में। एड थी फॉर अ फोटोग्राफर, वीडियोग्राफर, वीडियो एडिटर, इलस्ट्रेटर, विजुअलाइजर और आर्ट डायरेक्टर। आप किसी अच्छी सी कंपनी में काम करना चाहते हो, कॉग्निटो इज अ वर्ल्ड फेमस कंपनी, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी इन फील्ड ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग। तो आप क्या करो, यू सेंड योर पोर्टफोलियो। उन्होंने वर्ड यूज किया था पोर्टफोलियो। यू सेंड योर पोर्टफोलियो, पब्लिश्ड एंड अनपब्लिश्ड वर्क टू, दे गिव एन ईमेल आईडी. Is either you mail that on an email ID or you post that on our website. If you are any of these, photographer, videographer, video editor, illustrator, visualizer, art director, आपने अब तक जो भी किया है उसको या तो हमें मेल कर दें या हमारे वेबसाइट पर लोड कर दें। Now this was one half of the ad. There was another half and then other half was this. शरीफ कंपनी है तो इसके लिए वो एसएससी वो बीच के वो वर्ड नहीं लिखे उन्होंने, बट वी नो विच दोज वर्ड्स आर, दैट दोज वर्ड्स आर स्क्रू द डिग्री, शो मी द पोर्टफोलियो। वो कहते हैं डिग्री मत दिखाओ, आपने अब तक क्या किया है वो दिखाओ, डिग्री नहीं चाहिए। एंड इनफैक्ट इन कंपनीज ऑल्सो बारिंग दी एंट्री लेवल जॉब्स, उसके बाद में आप कहाँ तक पहुंच जाओगे उसका आपके एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन से कुछ लेना देना नहीं होता है। सो दिस वाज 2014 बट नाउ वी आर इन 2021। यहाँ तो और भी बहुत कुछ बदलाव आ गए पिछले 7 साल में। नाउ व्हाट चेंजेस हैव टेकन प्लेस? Now this is very important change. Why degrees have lost their value? Because now person and knowledge have become important. See, degree क्या देती है आपको? Degree only gives you knowledge. A school or a college only gives you knowledge. Now knowledge is available free on the net. You want to get knowledge of an engineering course, it's available on the net. You want to get knowledge of doctor, it's available on the net and available free. Now, there are some professions where you need a license to practice. You want to become a doctor, you need a license. You want to become a lawyer, you need a license. You want to become an architect, you need a license. Barring those professions where a license is required, and to get the license you have to have a degree. In other fields your degree is not required at all. All they need is knowledge, because now knowledge is available free, and all the knowledge is available just on a click of button. Person and knowledge have become important. फॉर इंस्टेंस ये जो कंप्यूटर के चालू हुए थे तो कौन पढ़ाता था कंप्यूटर उस टाइम? ये हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर वगैरह, पीपल जस्ट लर्न ऑन देयर ओन एंड नाउ दे हैव बिकम मिलियनेयर्स। नाउ पर्सन एंड नॉलेज हैव बिकम इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ इन दिस सेशन वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक द क्वालिटीज व्हिच एम्प्लॉयर्स लुक इन पर्सन। वो मेरा दूसरा दिस थिंग टॉपिक है, सक्सेस स्किल्स फॉर 21st सेंचुरी। सो नाउ इन 21st सेंचुरी दो चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई हैं, एक पर्सन और एक नॉलेज। नॉलेज इज नाउ अवेलेबल फ्री टू एवरीवन। जो नॉलेज आपको चाहिए फ्री मिल जाता है। सो नाउ बिकॉज एम्प्लॉयर्स नाउ हैव ए चॉइस, सपोज आई नीड एन इंजीनियर, तो आई स्टे इन अहमदाबाद, तो 10-15 साल पहले व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन? इफ आई एम इन अहमदाबाद, so I have access to only those who are in Ahmedabad, or say 20 years back. Now if I want in Ahmedabad, if I want an engineer in Ahmedabad, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना, नेट के ऊपर सिर्फ अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट डाल देनी है। Within seconds, everybody in the world comes to know about this. There is somebody in Ahmedabad who needs an engineer with this qualification and this experience and all that. If everybody in the world cannot apply, it is not because they don't have access to me, it's because of government policies. Government policies restrict करती हैं, but otherwise anybody can apply anywhere in the world. Now employers demand, उनकी डिमांड क्या है? वन, राइट वर्क। वो लोग जो सही काम कर दें सही टाइम पर, वो लोग चाहिए। उनके पास वो इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री है कि नहीं, एमबीए की डिग्री है कि नहीं, इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन की डिग्री है कि नहीं, दे जस्ट डोंट केयर। Second most important change, your degrees have lost their value. Value is that of knowledge and person. Person के पीछे attitude होता है, वो बात हम आज नहीं करने वाले। Third most important change, work from home. ये work from home, in fact, even before this pandemic came around, companies को पहले से भी try करती आ रही हैं, but now because of pandemic, it is becoming a very, very prominent alternate method of working, work from home. इनफैक्ट ये मत सोचिए कि छोटे छोटे काम ही आप काम से घर से कर सकते हैं. वी हैव सैटेलाइट्स hundreds of kilometers in the atmosphere. We have spaceships. All those are being controlled from ground. So work from home is now becoming very, very important part of working. But अगर work from home है, because people can't come to offices, तो फिर उनका selection कैसे हो? So slowly and slowly, selection is also moving from in-person interview to online interviews. So this brings us to our today's session. Useful suggestions for online. Now this is only about video. Online interview दो तरह के होते हैं. One is video and second is on telephone. टेलीफोन इंटरव्यूज तो पहले से भी पॉपुलर थे. ये जो आपके कॉल सेंटर वाले हैं जो रिक्रूटमेंट में हैं, दे कॉल सेंटर पीपल, दे रिक्रूट पीपल फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. दे हैव बीन कंडक्टिंग टेलीफोन इंटरव्यूज फॉर मेनी मेनी इयर्स. बट नॉर्मली विद इन अ कंट्री, जैसे इंडिया छोटा सा कंट्री है, यहाँ वो उतना पॉपुलर नहीं होता था. बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ पेंडेमिक, telephone interviews and videos interviews have become extremely popular. This is about video interviews. Telephone interviews की कुछ और requirement होती हैं. We are not going to touch those today. Video interviews. In fact, ये पाया गया है कि 88% जो interviews हैं वो अब online हो गए हैं. Only 12% interviews are still in-person, face-to-face interviews. 88% interviews have gone online. Major component of that is video interviews. And now it has become very easy. You don't need technology. All you need is a smartphone. ये 8-10 साल पहले स्मार्टफोन नहीं होते थे, so there was no option. No, of course, people could have even face-to-face interview on PC or laptop, but those things everybody didn't have. Now everybody has laptop, so now video interviews have become very easy. हम लोग तो लोगों से वीडियो चैट करते ही रहते हैं. But there's a difference between chatting with friends on video chat and giving interview on video. बहुत फर्क है. So why? Because in a formal atmosphere, many people start feeling nervous when they are speaking to somebody through a video call. But now video interviews are becoming normal thing. Interviews now will be conducted only like this, and besides it's easy for companies also. अगर पहले कंपनीज को बुलाना है किसी को इंटरव्यू के लिए and that fellow doesn't stay in that company, now these companies have to pay his traveling charges. Many times these people have to stay overnight. They also have to pay the lodging boarding charges. Now because of these video interviews, all that is not required, right? Plus there's a convenience. These video interviews can be held anytime, telephone interviews can be held anytime, but many people feel not comfortable speaking on, like conducting, giving interviews on videos. So उनके लिए ये कुछ suggestions हैं that what you can do, what you should do to overcome fear of these video interviews, and how to ensure that your performance in video interviews improves. तो ये basically इसके कुछ tips हैं, hints हैं. Now remember, this is not a replacement for your interview. Now, please don't think in a video interview you will not be asked questions as people are asked in a normal interview. वो तो पूछे ही जाएंगे. This is not much relevant. So even in video interview, you will still be asked all the questions as in-person interview. वो तो पूछा ही जाएगा आपसे. There are some extra care people have to take for video interview. Now, what are those cares? This is about that. So, जैसे आप so first thing is the way you prepare for in-person interview. That is, people like start searching for commonly asked questions and prepare answers for those commonly asked questions. What we should do, what we should not do when we go for in-person interview, वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा because those questions will be there in any case. But here the additional thing is technology, that is video technology. What I should do to take care that my video interview doesn't get affected because of my kind of less knowledge about it. ये उसके बारे में है. So prepare like you would for an in-person interview. वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा. वो सवाल तो पूछा ही जाएगी. Second, now question आता है वीडियो इंटरव्यू हो रहा है मैं तो घर में बैठा हूँ. I'm sitting in my home. And we say even if it is telephone interview, still dress as if you are going for in-person interview. Dress to impress. Why should you do that? Okay, all that I can do is maybe have a nice T-shirt and that's it. खड़ा खड़ा थोड़ी होना है मुझे. नीचे मैंने क्या पैंट पहन रखी है या क्या किसको दिखेगा? But it is not to show somebody else. One thing is very sure. ड्रेस का असर मैंने क्या पहना है इसका सबसे पहला असर मेरे ऊपर होता है. If I dress well, I feel more energetic. It's true. जिस दिन आपने कोई नया नया शर्ट या नया नया पैंट या नया नया पैंट शर्ट खरीदा है, the day you wear that, आपका mental makeup ही change हो जाता है. People you start feeling more confident. There's more energy in you. And please remember, now let me tell you, मेरा background मैं कोई teacher नहीं हूँ. I've worked in companies up to level of chief executive, and we have recruited people from level of worker to level of senior manager. सबसे पहली चीज जो impress करती है इंटरव्यूअर को वो होता है आपका energy. How much energy you are emitting. एंड प्लीज डोंट थिंक ये आपकी एनर्जी तो ये फोन और वीडियो पे थोड़ी ट्रांसमिट होगी. योर एनर्जी गेट्स ट्रांसमिटेड इवन थ्रू टेलीफोन एंड इवन ऑन वीडियो कॉल्स. आपकी एनर्जी अभी आपकी वॉइस ट्रांसमिट कर रही है. And when you dress well, it's automatic that you start feeling more confident, more energetic. So even if it is a telephone interview or a video interview, dress as if you are going for an in-person interview because this is going to affect your energy and confidence level. पहला. दूसरा, test your tech. Test your tech means what? Now, in video interviews, either I'm using a laptop or a PC or a smartphone and internet connection. एक मर्फी लॉ है मैनेजमेंट का जो बोलता है एनीथिंग विच कैन गो रॉन्ग विल गो रॉन्ग व्हेन इट शुड नॉट. वो मर्फी लॉ है. सो व्हाट इट मींस इज you have been using internet, your laptop and your mobile for 2 years without any problem. ये हो सकता है कि when your interview is going on, one of these things will develop a problem. It's quite possible. It happens. So test your tech means check that your internet connection is working properly, your computer or PC, your smartphone is working properly, charging हो रही है, chargers are working, your phone is getting charged, your mobile phone is charged, so that nothing goes wrong during the actual interview. So test your tech, check all the gadgets you will use for your video interview. 2. Set up your shot. Set up your shot means स्क्रीन के ऊपर आपका इमेज कहाँ होना चाहिए और कितना होना चाहिए, so that people are able to see you and even have some establish some connection with you. So before the interview, check all these things. The preferred, as we see in this image, interview का जो image है, it is in middle, horizontally and vertically both. So preferably your image should appear in middle of the device. जहाँ तक हो सके avoid conducting an interview on smartphone. PC is preferred, laptop is preferred because smartphones keep shifting here and there, हिलते रहते हैं, and then your image also keeps shifting. So all this should be done before the actual interview. Now don't do all these adjustments just before the interview, just before the interview. Do all these settings beforehand so that when the interview starts, you are ready with it. So set up your shot, set the camera, set the screen or mobile phone ka, not mobile phone, आपका laptop का screen in such a way that you appear in middle of the screen. Don't sit too far or too close. If you are sitting too far, तो आप स्क्रीन पे बहुत छोटे से दिखोगे, and if you are sitting too close, तो पूरा स्क्रीन आपकी इमेज से भर जाएगा. You will not be able to see anything. It will be distracting. In either case, it's distracting. So ideal thing is what we see here, approximately of that shape. So how far you should sit or how close you should sit, all these calculations, all these adjustments must be done before the interview. So one, check all the technology, set up your shot so that you appear in the center of the screen. Don't sit too far or too close. If you are too far, your image will be very small on the screen, and if you are too close, the screen will be filled with that image. Both these things are distracting. Prepare for optimal eye contact. Now, in in-person interview, we have lot of advantages. One advantage is of body language. Second advantage is eye contact. We know somebody who is not maintaining eye contact or is avoiding eye contact is sending a very clear signal that fellow has no self-confidence. The way you sit in the chair, the way your facial expressions, your hand movements, your eye contact, these give away a lot of things about you in-person interview. Many of these things are missing in virtual interview, but we can still try to have eye contact. How? If you अगर आपने अपना शॉट वगैरह सही सेट किया हुआ है and you are in middle of the screen, all that you have to do is simply look towards the interviewers. If there's one, only one. If there's more than one, then we say even in in-person interview, don't keep looking towards only one person. Shift your gaze shift your gaze to different people, and same thing can be done here. But maintain eye contact means look towards the other person sitting there. Don't look sideways or don't look down. Lack of eye contact is absolute giveaway that that person has no self-confidence. In fact, in my training programs, I keep telling people, not only students, even the grown-up people, अगर आपको किसी के बारे में जानना है that how much confidence that person has, मतलब वो पर्सन लिक्विड है, सॉलिड है कि गैस ही गैस है, कुछ है ही नहीं अंदर, three things are enough. Not only three, one, handshake. Not only three, one, two things are enough. One, handshake, and second, eye contact. Handshake and eye contact discloses almost everything about a person, how much confident that person is given away by handshake and by eye contact. So adjust the shot that you are in the middle of the screen and look towards the interviewers. But don't keep staring at them. Look for some time, look away, and look back again. Don't keep staring, that's very disturbing to the other person. So, optimal eye contact. Check for glare. Glare is what? Light reflecting from many, sources. What are those sources? One is your rings, second is your watch, and second are things lying on the table or around that. Glare is very disturbing. So, if you want to ensure that there is no glare, the best thing is remove all those things. Remove watch, if possible, remove rings, have minimum things lying on the table, and preferably light source should be behind. यहाँ आपको पीछे दिख रहा है इंटरव्यूअर के, preferable thing is light source should be behind the laptop. This will take care of all kind of glare. Glare is disturbing. Glare is basically light reflecting. It's very disturbing. 7. Now practice your video interview skills ahead of time. Now when we say आपके students का school में, college में, there are always mock interviews. Now let me also tell you, I'm on free Zoom. So if the participants are more than two, then the session limit is 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, we will be taken out, but we can rejoin immediately. So we have about 10 minutes. So after that, they'll be moved, they'll disconnect this, but uh, you can rejoin immediately because I have also booked the second session. Now ये स्टूडेंट्स को ये मॉक इंटरव्यूज बहुत करवाए जाते हैं so that in the actual interview they don't feel nervous. We said do the same thing in your video interview also. We have standard set of questions normally asked. There's a list of 20 to 25 frequently asked questions in practically all the interviews. In addition to those interviews, the rest of the questions are basically technical in nature. But there are some common questions which almost every interviewer will ask every interviewee. Plus, of course, in every field, there are technical questions. So instead of going unprepared for video interviews, practice your video interview ahead of time. You can ask a friend of yours, some friend or some family member to actually ask those questions, maybe sitting in some other room, using some other device, and you can still have this practice on the laptop or PC or smart phone, whatever you'll be using. Now, if that is done, one, what we said is very important is how do you appear on the computer screen, वो आपको पता लग जाएगा. Plus, if you have any problem in speaking, speech की problem आती है, because when you are speaking on the video, there is a lot of distortion in the sound. You will come to know all that. Now, it's not that simply practice that interview. Now we can even record that, record it and replay it. That is the best thing to do is record, replay, and carefully examine about how did you feel about your interview. If you didn't feel good about it, nobody else will feel good about it. So practice your video interview skills ahead of the time. Live practice. Have somebody else to ask you these questions. Maybe you can ask a friend who can be sitting at his home and you are sitting in your home and practicing this. So, very important. Practice interview skills ahead of time. वैसे भी कंपनी स्कूल करवाते ही हैं, कॉलेज करवाते ही हैं मॉक इंटरव्यूज. Pay attention to how you sound too. Now, there is a problem in this technology. The sound quality which we have on face-to-face interview that gets distorted. One, there's a time lag. When I'm speaking, the other person is not able to listen to that in real time, and there are some distortions in my sound. So when you say आप record करिए अपने interviews को, record that to check the quality of your answers, accuracy of the answers, and also how did you sound on the during that interview. Is it that you are too fast, or is it that you are too slow, or is it that you are too loud, or too, let's say, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, your sound was not audible enough. Check for all these things. So pay attention to how you sound in terms of sound quality, pitch, tone, volume, level, etc., etc. Because now in video and telephone interviews, most of the rapport has to be built by your voice. In person to person interview, one, it's easy to understand what somebody is saying, and two, we have our body to develop the rapport. Body language is very useful thing to develop rapport with others, which is not available in telephone or video interviews. All that rapport now has to be developed by your voice only. So pay attention to how you sound too. Write out a few notes, but refer to them as little as possible. Now, ये interview मेरे घर में हो रहा है, and I also know the questions they are likely to ask, plus even technical questions which I'll be asked. I know those, so I can prepare my responses to those questions. I can prepare notes about those questions and keep them with me. In fact, what we say is nobody stops you from preparing notes even for the in-person interview. The only thing is don't prepare answer. Don't write the answer and start reading the answer. Write point, then you can look at the points and explain those points. So write out few notes but refer to them as little as possible. If you really feel the need, you can refer to those, but otherwise don't do that because ये तो दिख जाता है. The interviewer is able to see that actually you are referring to some notes that may not create good impression, but yes, you have this option of having notes you can refer to. Don't write the answers. It's very clear when somebody is reading a script, it's immediately one can immediately know that person is not speaking extempore, वो पढ़ रहा है या रट्टा मारा हुआ आंसर बोल रहा है. So we have this facility, you can make notes and refer to them as and when required. Telephone में भी किया जा सकता है, and in fact there is no harm in preparing some notes, one or two points, even even for in-person interview, and referring to those during interview. And you can always tell the interviewer that you will be taking help from some of the notes you made for critical questions. Nobody minds that. Minimize interruptions, but take them in stride if they happen. In in-person interview, we are in somebody's office. There are no interruptions. But in on video or phone interviews, there can be a lot of interruptions. We are at home. There are other people at home. They are doing their own work. Somebody is watching TV. Some cooking is going on in the kitchen. And many people have pets in home, maybe a dog, and we don't know when the dog will start barking. You may be sitting in a room, but then we have children. You don't know when the child will open the door and come and disturb you. These are interruptions. Or like the place where I stay is it's close to main road, so we have traffic sound. When the ambulance passes by, we have a lot of honking sounds. All these are interruptions. I know that these interruptions can happen, but the interviewer doesn't know that these interruptions can happen. If these interruptions happen during the interview, those fellows will feel irritated. But they will happen. I have no control over those. So what we say is in such cases, if you feel that some interruptions can happen, inform the interviewer before the interview that in this discussion, these interruptions can happen. You will try to minimize, but on some there is no control. If that happens, then at least they'll be aware that this can happen. A dog start barking, there's no control. Traffic on the road, no control. So these will happen. Inform beforehand rather than interviewer getting disturbed by them without prior warning. So minimize interruptions जहाँ तक हो सके, but control नहीं है तो पहले बता दें ये हो सकता है, then that's okay.